Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best inventions that will allow you to live underwater. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1: Darkfin Webbed Power Swimming Gloves. The Darkfin Web Power Swimming Gloves offer a specialized solution for enhanced swimming performance across various water activities. Designed for both men and women, these gloves are versatile, catering to a range of interests from scuba diving and snorkeling to spearfishing and surfing in cold water conditions. One of the standout features of these gloves is their ultra-thin design, which allows for increased dexterity and maneuverability underwater, while providing the added benefit of insulation in colder temperatures. The webbed structure of the gloves aids in propulsion, making swimming more efficient and less strenuous, particularly during activities like diving and snorkeling, where precise movement is essential. Furthermore, these gloves can also be utilized for water aerobics, providing resistance for a more effective workout. Their black color not only adds a sleek aesthetic, but also ensures they blend seamlessly with various aquatic environments. To be for you. Described by its creators as the smartest and safest HUKA diving system around, SUPA HUKA possesses neither the complications of scuba diving, nor the restrictions of snorkeling. In its place, you get a device which allows you to dive up to 30 feet underwater for up to 2 hours on a single charge. No back tank required. With SUPA HUKA you can dive 30 feet, 10 meters, deep for up to 2 hours on a single charge. It's perfect for exploring reefs, underwater photography, underwater maintenance and more. Dive freely without the hassles of heavy tanks, cumbersome gear, and rental equipment fees. SUPA HUKA is powered by 2 removable slaw batteries. SUPA HUKA is a tankless HUKA diving system that allows you to dive 30 feet, 10 meters, deep for up to 2 hours on a single charge. Product 4: Product name SeaTrek Summit Trek Down Sleeping Bag. The SeaTrek Summit Trek Down Sleeping Bag is a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and backpackers for its lightweight design and impressive insulation capabilities. Designed for use in varying climates, this sleeping bag is engineered to provide warmth and comfort during cold nights, while remaining compact and easy to carry during long treks. One of the standout features of the SeaTrek Summit Trek Down Sleeping Bag is its utilization of high-quality down insulation, which offers exceptional warmth-to-weight ratio. This makes it ideal for backpackers who prioritize minimizing pack weight without compromising on insulation. Additionally, the down filling is responsibly sourced, adhering to ethical standards and animal welfare. The sleeping bag incorporates innovative design elements to enhance comfort and usability. Its tapered rectangular shape provides ample room to move around while sleeping, without sacrificing thermal efficiency. It also features a full-length zipper, allowing for easy entry and ventilation options on warmer nights. In terms of construction, the SeaTrek Summit Trek Down Sleeping Bag utilizes durable materials that can withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The outer shell is typically made from lightweight and water-resistant fabrics, providing protection against moisture and condensation. Meanwhile, the inner lining offers a soft and cozy sleeping surface. Portability is a key consideration for backpackers. Product 5: Product name SeaTrek. SeaTrek is a guided underwater walking tour designed for non-swimmers and guests ages 8 to 80 plus. Visit one of our popular tourist destinations worldwide and experience the thrill of helmet diving face-to-face with friendly marine life. 51 locations and growing. In 2015, SeaTrek operator Native Diving Lanzarote introduced a modified beach wheelchair, used to take guests with limited or no use of their legs safely on an underwater SeaTrek tour. The response from participants, their families and the public was overwhelmingly positive. Sub-Sea Systems was inspired by this and developed a custom underwater wheelchair, specifically designed to be used with the SeaTrek system. This program is called Adapted SeaTrek and will soon be available at multiple SeaTrek locations worldwide. Walk the sea floor on a custom walkway wearing specially designed diving helmets, offering up-close view of Aruba's marine life. Even non-swimmers and those who don't snorkel can feed a bevy of colorful tropical fish, view a sunken jeep and bus, and pose for a photograph while sitting at the underwater SeaTrek cafe. The duration is approximately 1 hour including Product 6 Product name eSpear. The eSpear features a trigger-activated extendable baton that creates a powerful electrical field to deter inquisitive sharks. Once extended, the eSpear is automatically on, no switches to worry about. For more information, download the eSpear brochure here. Powered by Shark Shield technology, the Ocean Guardian eSpear is perfect for diving, snorkeling and spearfishing. Small, lightweight, easy to carry, and backed by 20 years of research, it offers powerful and proven shark protection. Simply attach it to your dive belt, swimsuit or trunks and go. The eSpear will be launched today via an Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign to help raise funds to not only expedite the product development of the eSpear, but also to raise funds to deliver Ocean Guardian's great vision of removing shark nets and drumlines through new technology. Those who register now via Indiegogo will receive a 45% discount off the eSpear. The eSpear is available in 5 colors: aquamarine, carbon black, electric yellow, pewter gray and ocean blue, for RRP $299 AU. The Indiegogo 45% discount campaign will run from the 5th February to the 15th March.